my wonderful viewers. Today it is 5:53 where I live. See, outside it's very dark. And I'm making my breakfast. Having oatmeal. I have to set my camera down to do this. Crap. Trying to get it to aim at me. I'm so sad because the Steelers lost. That's just rude. Like, I didn't want them to lose. I was there literally biting my chair. It was really funny. Oh, sorry, zoomed in a little far. I'm gonna put you all in my microwave. This is gonna be a really cool shot. Ha, what'd I tell you? Pretty sweet. There's my oatmeal, it's now in the microwave. Let's go for 30 seconds. You guys should watch my oatmeal. Yes. It's really kind of boring to watch my oatmeal, but I'm just gonna film till it's finished in there. And then I'll turn off and maybe I'll vlog to you all on the bus. To my school. Unfortunately, my bus driver's not going to be... Oop, there it is. My oatmeal has warmthified. Yep, so... Bye, everyone.